आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम टू माय ऑल व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों को जहाँ कहीं भी रखे अपनी अमान में रखे, अपनी सलामती में रखे और इस दुनिया में अपने सिवा किसी का मोहताज न करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। आज की जो वीडियो है वो है इंग्लिश पे हम करेंगे और जो है इसमें हम करेंगे क्लास 6 का जो है चैप्टर नंबर 3 है अ पोलर एक्सप्लोरर। ये चैप्टर हम करेंगे आज की वीडियो में। हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज डन करेंगे, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, वर्ड सेंटेंसेस हैं, वर्ड्स मीनिंग हैं और जो है वो वर्किंग विद वर्ड्स है। तो वो आज की वीडियो में हम तकरीबन सारा कुछ डन कर देंगे। सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं इसके वर्ड्स टू नो है। कैरिबो मीन्स रेंजर, डिस्प्यूटेड मीन डिसएग्री विद, expeditions, a journey by a group of people with a clear aim to explore surroundings. Explore. Encircling means surrounding. Inuit means previously. Eskimos means the people who live in the Arctic region. Norway, a country in northern Europe. Obey means to follow something, to obey something. Ostentatious means deliberate or obvious display. Oslo, the capital of Norway. Pacific means peaceful. Perseverance, persistence in doing something despite difficulties or delays. Reciprocate means repay someone's action in a similar way. Certainty means close or wrecked means destroyed at sea. ये थे इसके वर्ड्स टू नो। इसकी एक्सरसाइज में जो है वो इसके देखते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है पार्ट 1। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट डिड एमंडसन्स मदर वांट हिम टू बी? डिड ही फॉलो हर विशेस? व्हाट गेव एमंडसन द इंस्पिरेशंस टू एन एक्सप्लोरर? हाउ डिड ही प्रिपेयर फॉर अ चाइल्ड एंड एज एन एडल्ट? What key skills did Amundsen learn about survivals? Look at the 4th and 6th paragraphs. What made it difficult to pass through the Northwest Passage? What helped Amundsen achieve it? When did Amundsen get the North Pole? What did Amundsen's companion mistake the Eskimos for and why? And how did Amundsen talk to Eskimos? तो ये हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन था व्हाट डिड एमंडसन मदर वांट हिम टू डू? एमंडसन्स मदर वांटेड हिम टू बी अ डॉक्टर। ही फॉलोड हर विशेस। उसकी मदर क्या चाहती थी कि वह डॉक्टर बने और उसने उसकी विश को पूरा किया। व्हाट गेव एमंडसन टू इंस्पिरेशन? ये क्वेश्चन मैंने ऑलरेडी बुक से रीड आउट कर लिया है। Amundsen was inspired by famous British explorers. As a child, he prepared for life as an explorer by playing a lot of sports, sleeping with his windows open, and reading about explorer. As an adult, he worked as a ship's crew member, where he watched, listened, and learned useful skills on board and from the Inuit people, such as how to prevent scurvy, how to keep warm, and how to use dogs to travel by sledge. वो तो चाहता था, उसकी मदर तो चाहती थी कि वो डॉक्टर बने, बट उसकी शुरू से एक विश थी कि वो एक्सप्लोर करे, एक्सप्लोरर बने। और जब वो रात को सोता था तो अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोल के सोता था ताकि वो चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर कर सके। ठीक है, ये उसकी थिंकिंग थी। व्हाट की स्किल्स, ये क्वेश्चन है पूरा बुक के अंदर। डिड आर्मस्ट्रांग, ये आपके 2 या तीसरे और चौथे पैराग्राफ में इसका आंसर है। एमंडसन लर्न सम यूजफुल सर्वाइवल स्किल्स लाइक हाउ टू प्रिवेंट स्कर्वी, how to keep warm, and how to travel by sledge. But he was also very determined and well prepared. He made sure that he knew how to survive before setting off on his own expeditions. Question number D is what made it difficult? Very cold temperature, shallow seas and sea ice made it difficult to pass through the Northwest Passage. Amundsen boat Jujua helped him pass through it because it was small enough to pass through these waters and over the shallow areas. D is, when did Amundsen get to the North Pole? In 1926. What did Amundsen companion mistake? Amundsen companions mistook for the Inuit for Caribou because they were so far away. G is, how did Amundsen talk to the Eskimo? Amundsen talked to the Eskimos by using a mixture of simple expressions, body language of voice expressions of the fact, nods and shakes of the head, gestures and tones of the voice. How did Amundsen die? Amundsen disappeared on a rescue mission, so we cannot be sure of how he died. Maybe he died in an airplane crash. क्योंकि वो एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था और जो है वो आज तक किसी को नहीं पता चल सका कि वो उसकी मौत कैसे वाक़ई हुई थी, बट लोगों का अंदाज़ा ये है कि वो शायद किसी प्लेन क्रैश में एक्सपायर हो गया था. Come to the next page, that is about to copy the sentence that are true, correct the sentence that are wrong and rewrite them. ये इन्होंने यहाँ पर sentences लिखे हुए हैं और ये कह रहे हैं कि इसको जो है करेक्ट करना है हमने, कि अगर सही है तो सही लिखना है, अगर करेक्ट गलत है तो हमने इसको रीराइट करके करेक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो ये आप लोग बुक से देख लीजिएगा, मैंने जो है वो उसकी रीराइट की है, ये मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. Scurvy is caused by a lack of vitamin C. True. Getting to the North Pole was easy. False. Getting to the North Pole was difficult. Correction की है ये इसकी. Amundsen was the first person to be able to claim that he had been to the both poles. True. It is always dark at the South Pole. It is false. तो इसका करेक्शन क्या है? There is no sunlight from March to September at the South Pole. This is the correction we did. The North Pole is not a land. It is true. No animals live near the North Pole. It is false. Its correct would be polar bear, seals, walrus and native to the North Pole. It is the correction. Answer the following questions with reference to context. Some other two-legged carbius joined the first until 5 figures were outlined against the sky. What were the two-legged carbius and how many people were in Amundsen site? So what were the two-legged carbius? Inuit, Eskimo people. The answer is one line. And how many people were in Amundsen site? There were 3 people in Amundsen site. Next is, their leader, seeing the Pacific move, imitated it by turning to his followers and uttering a command. What is meant by the phrase Pacific move and how do the Inuit respond? The answer is, when the leader of the Inuit people saw Amundsen make the peaceful move of instructing his men to put their weapons aside, he did the same with his men. Now come to another exercise, that is working with words. Look again at the extract from Amundsen Look. Find out what these words mean and use each one in sentences. पहले इसकी meaning बताने हैं, then इनको sentences में use करना है. Words are steadfastly, obstinately, pacific and reciprocate. So पहले इसके meanings देख लेते हैं. Steadfastly mean in a resolutely or difficultly manners. Ostentatiously mean in a showy way that is designed to impress. Pacific mean peaceful character or intent. Reciprocate means a respond to an other action or gesture by making a corresponding one. Their sentences would be: Steadfastly, she steadfastly refused to speak. Ostentiously, the room was ostentiously decorated in white and silver. Pacific, it was strange to see my Pacific friend yell at the rude store cashier. Reciprocate means they wanted to reciprocate the kindness that had been shown to them. Next exercise is you have learned these proverbs. Can you complete them? The early bird catches the worm. Look before you leap, LEAP. Learn to walk before you run. Don't count your chickens before they hatches. You may lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it. Last exercise is about composition. What would it be to live in the Amundsen Scott Ice Station of a year? Discuss with a classmate and make some notes. Write about what it would be like to live there for a year. तो ये आप लोग खुद से भी लिख सकते हैं. मैं आप लोगों को पहले भी बहुत दफ़ा बता चुकी हूँ कि ये जो है वो एक क्रिएटिव राइटिंग टाइप होता है. आप लोगों ने जो अपने बुक में से चैप्टर को लेसन को रीड आउट किया होता है, आपको इसमें से ही जो है वो कुछ आइडिया होता है कि मैंने कौन से वर्ड्स यूज़ करने हैं, कौन से वोकेबलरी यूज़ करनी है. तो ये आप डिपेंडेंट है कि आप खुद से भी कर सकते हैं. मैंने लिखा है, अगर आप ये देखना चाहें तो आप इसको भी लिख सकते हैं. Amundsen Scott Ice Station situated at the South Pole. It was built in 1956 and named after the two polar explorers Rod Amundsen and Scott, who first reached at the poles one after the other. It is quite interesting as well demand to spend the whole year and experience one extreme long day and one extremely long night. During daytime, it would lovely to have on stroll on icy floor, but at the same time, the sight would be colorless as there would be no fresh flower and greenery over there, and just the peaks of ice skating here and there, despite all the adventures and unique experience. I would miss fresh fruit that would not be available there when I would be around bound to keep indoor. I would spend time watching stars from the laboratory as I am so interested in astronomy. When the blizzard would hit the walls of ice station, it offers thrilling moment for an adventurer's soul. To sum up life at Amundsen Scott Station would be an unforgettable memory for thrill seekers. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित रही होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक कर दीजिएगा और अगर चैनल पर न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. इंशाअल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर होंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.